Today, I'll show you how to use a Capital One credit card effectively and efficiently. Whether you're a new card holder or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the essentials to get the most out of your card. Let's dive right in. To begin, the first thing you need to do is activate your card. You can easily do this by using the Capital One Well app or by visiting the Capital One website. Activating your card is a crucial step because it verifies your account and ensures that everything is set up correctly. Once activated, your card is ready to use for all your purchases. With your card get activated, you can make purchases in-store, online, or even over the phone. This flexibility allows you to use your card in a variety of settings, making it a convenient tool for your everyday spending needs. If you'd like to make your shopping experience even more seamless, consider adding your Capital One credit card to a digital wallet, such as Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. By doing this, you can enjoy the convenience of contactless payments, which are faster and often more secure than traditional swipe or chip transactions. Simply tap your phone at any contactless-enabled point of sale, and you're good to go. As you start using your card, it's a good idea to turn on transaction alerts. These alerts can be set up through the Capital One mobile app and will notify you of any new transactions. This feature is particularly useful for monitoring your spending and ensuring your account security. You'll be instantly informed of any purchases, helping you spot any unauthorized transactions quickly. Managing your payments and keeping track of your financial activity is made easy with the Capital One app. Within the app, you can view all your transactions, manage payments, and even track any rewards you've earned. This centralized control gives you a clear view of your spending habits and helps you stay on top of your finances. And that's it. That's how to use a Capital One credit card. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your card is not only a tool for making purchases, but also a secure and efficient way to manage your finances. Thanks for tuning in and happy spending.